Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for ellipse. Shows that the equation where we have 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 18y minus 27 equals to 0 is an ellipse. Hence, find the center, length of minor, major axis and sketch the ellipse. So first, we are going to show the situation is an ellipse. So my suggestion is to completing the square for the situation, where we have 4x squared plus with 9y squared plus 18y minus 27 equals to 0. Kindly focus on the part y, where we have 4x squared plus factor the 9, and we will have y squared plus 2y bracket minus 27 equals to 0. Kindly completing the square for the part y, where we have 4x squared plus 9 bracket y squared plus 2y plus bracket where we have 2 over 2 which is equals to 1 squared minus 1 squared minus 27. So here we have the bracket equals to 0. 4x squared plus 9 bracket y plus 1 bracket square minus 1 minus 27 equals to 0. Kindly expand the situation. 4x squared plus 9 bracket y plus 1 bracket square minus 9 minus 27 equals to 0. Rearrange the situation. 4x squared plus 9 multiplied with y plus 1 bracket square equals to 36. Kindly divide all the terms with 36. So where we will have 4x squared over 36, 9 bracket y plus 1 bracket square over 36, and 36 over 36 will be equals to 1. So here we will have x squared over 9 plus y plus 1 bracket square over 4 equals to 1. Shows that it is an ellipse. Next, kindly focus on the standard form of the ellipse, where we have the center 0, -1, followed by the value of a is equals to 3, the value of b is equals to 2, and the value of c is equals to square root of 9 minus 4, where we have the c is equals to square root of 5. Next, kindly sketch the ellipse. So here we have the center 0, -1. Then we have the major axis followed by the minor axis, which is the y. Next, we have the center named 0, -1. Kindly focus on the value a, where we have moving towards the left and the right for 3 units. So here we have -1, -2, -3. So here we have the major vertices, -3, -1. Next, moving towards the right for 3 units, where we have 1, 2, and 3. So here we have another major vertices, which is 3, -1. Next, focus on the B, moving upward for 2 units and downward for 2 units. So here we have 0, then we have 1. So we have the minor vertices, which is 0 and 1. Next, moving downwards for 2 units, where we have -1, -2, and -3. And we have another minor vertices 0, -3. So kindly sketch the graph. And we have the situation for ellipse. Next is to determine the focus. So focus will be the moving towards the left for square root of 5 unit. So meaning that we have 0 minus square root of 5, and we have -1. So the focus will be negative square root of 5, -1. Next, we have another focus, which is 0 plus with the square root of 5. So we will have square root of 5, -1. So kindly refers to the question. We have to find the center where we have 0, -1, the length for the minor. So the length for the minor axis, we have the refers to b. 2 multiplied with the 2, so we have 4 units. Next, the length for the major axis, which is the A. So again, 2 multiplied with the value of A, which is 3. So we have the length for the major axis is 6 units. So do remember to state the equation for the graph. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the example for parabola. Find the equation of the parabola that axis parallels to the x-axis. Vertex as -3, -1, and passes through the point -7, 2. Hence, sketch the graph. Next, kindly state the formula for parabola. So here we have x squared equals to 4py, where we have the basic graph is open upward and downwards. Another one, we have y squared is equals to 4px, where we have the basic graph open left and open right. So kindly take notes, here we have the symmetrical axis, which is the axis for the parabola, and it is x equals to 0, or we can say y-axis. Next refers to the y squared. Here we have the symmetrical axis, which is y equals to 0, or we can say x-axis. So kindly refers to the question, the parabola that has the axis parallels to x-axis. So means that here will be our answer. So kindly refers to the formula where we have y minus k bracket square is equals to 4p bracket x minus h. Next, kindly refers to the question, we have the vertex is equals to -3, -1. So kindly substitute the vertex, and we have y plus with 1 squared is equals to 4p x plus with the 3. Next, kindly refers to the question. The question said the parabola passes through the point -7 and 2. So where we have x is equals to -7 and y is equals to 2. Kindly substitute the situation. So where we will have 2 plus 1 squared, and we will have 9 is equals to 4p bracket -7 plus 3, and we will have -4. So p will be equals to -9 over 16. Since the p is less than 0, so means that the graph will open towards the left. So kindly refers to the diagram. So here we have the situation, vertex -3, -1. So here we have -1, -2, -3. So here we have -1. So here will be the vertex. Next, we have the symmetrical axis or the parabola axis, which is y is equals to -1. Next, the graph will be open towards the left. So here will be the graph. With the vertex -3, -1. Next, we have the focus, where we have the vertex moving towards the left for 9 over 16 unit, where we have -3, -9 over 16, -1. Simplify the situation, and we will have the focus is -57 over 16, -1. Next is to find the directrix. So where we have the refers to the vertices, where we have -3 plus with 9 over 16. So the directrix will be x is equals to -39 over 16. So here we have the focus. Then we have the directrix, which is x is equals to -39 over 16. Finally, we must have the equations of parabola, where we have to substitute the situation p -9 over 16. So finally, y plus 1 bracket square is equals to -9 over 4 multiplied with x plus 3. So that will be the equation for the parabola. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.